Salesforce admits AI is going to be taking jobs, and soon. Salesforce is basically releasing agents which will be able to converse with their customers' customers at the price tag of $2 per conversation. Salesforce are one of the giants in the SaaS, or the software as a service industry. And recently there's been a lot of talk about how SaaS is at risk now because of AI. Why spend a huge amount of money on a contract with Salesforce when you can build in-house tools using artificial intelligence? In fact, I did a video just last week about Klarna, who are getting rid of Salesforce entirely and replacing it with AI-built integrations. So it looks like Salesforce are seeing the writing on the wall as well, and they're starting to build AI directly into their product. This to me sounds like they don't want their clients, their customers, getting into AI themselves. They want to be the people who implement the AI for their customers. Basically saying, don't worry about that, we'll cover it all for you, just keep using Salesforce. Which honestly is a pretty smart move if you are worried about artificial intelligence. If you can't beat them, join them. And it's further evidence of AI being taken seriously in business.